Let's talk about one very important term that has been in news recently after fentanyl, and that is nitazene. Now, nitazene is a very strong synthetic opioids. Now, when we talk about opioids, there are numerous categories under which opioids are available. The list of these are available here, and recently nitazene was in news, highly detrimental. The researches on nitazene has been going on for last 60 years, and there are potential threats with nitazene in very trace amounts because this could lead to significant health effect. Now, nitazene is obtained as a white powder crystalline solid or a yellowish brown color powder. They could be found in the form of tablets or could be inhaled, injected or swallowed. Now, nitazene, as we said, has numerous side effects, and some of the common formulations under which nitazene is available is isotonitazene, metonitazene and atonitazene. Now, this has a significant impact on health. It can initially produce symptoms which could reduce pain, stress, itching, nausea, vomit, but in long run it could lead to severe health complications and heart problems as well. Important to note, numerous medications which use oxycodone have fake oxycodone, and this fake oxycodone comes in the form of nitazene, and recently there was a case in Australia which was detected. So this was again an important topic. The list of opioids which have been highly detrimental have been mentioned here. So we will be covering similar important topics for you. Stay tuned for more updates. Thanks for joining in.